program today, Waka Go Good Morning from Benin. I'm the name of the program. So we want to look at that matter when they say concern me, concern you, concern our dear country, Nigeria. 3 years after, they don't go 3 years now, whether we like them or not. Now, you reach 3 years by May, and by just about 2 months from now. Even this month, they will come out to, for you know, to the Apple, the time don't already reach. And this administration go there for office. So we want to look the side when BCA say we clap for them, the side when BCA say we doesn't. We know if we clap for you, and decide what we will do to make sure CSA we get a better Nigeria. We get two of our friends here, two of our brothers, young men, when we say if they want to build the country around young people. If they never call these people, they never know the team when we say they do. People they want to be CSA with trust and know CSA. If they did as young people, they will turn the whole thing around. So now we get for here. We get first our friend and brother. When name be Ogbede Faluyi Isibo. Welcome to our program.
Thank you.
I agree to you.
Thank you very
much. And
much.
our friend and brother here, Osahon Obaraye Okoro. Welcome to our program.
Thank you so much, sir. Well done, sir. Thank you so much.
They give me two hands, so they give me 2 hands. So I don't understand. Now maybe the fifth, maybe old man when we say they here. I'm not going to come over. I call you Larry make on John. They I don't understand that because we just say yes, the country now for the youth tomorrow. You leaders for tomorrow and the youth and all that. Now they give me 2 hands. Where our country can't go like that? Now I start from you, my brother.
Thank you so much, Baba. I think first of all, I want to congratulate you for bringing us here today. I want to also tell you, say, a good day pertinent to let us quickly talk about Nigeria for the very just now. Make it not come be say before we come out here, we not come reach house. My mind, it pay me well. If you try to talk for this time, very just now, say Nigeria, it did the right lane. You go need many light to defend them. So the truth not pass say where we did today for Nigeria as a government, we not the good road. The road not be say not even the motorable, but not the passable. In many ramifications. Number one,
as I don't understand what you try to talk. So you now, all of us know, say you now can't carry member of the political party when they say they rule and all that. If you come and they talk like what you expect someone be say the opposition they talk, or people when they for the street be say no, they are political.
Now here we they get our wrong. Now here we they get our wrong.
Okay.
We they get our wrong in the SSA. Osahon Obaraye, now you call me just now. And if I never know you, I don't know you for over 30 years. Before me become a party person, I don't feel become Osahon Obaraye myself.
Okay.
I get it now. So if I come here, give one, they talk about party first. Before myself or about Nigeria, and I be say I be bad person now.
Okay.
I get it now. The play, if they say they tell me say what about those states now, that one I go sit down with the begin blow back many grammar for those state matter. Okay. But for what it concern Nigeria now, so they speak. I know the results card, the result sheet of Oga Gidigba when they call now Buhari. You know, go let person submit give a papa for house because what you want to talk about first of all, the killing Fulani can become our Oga. Fulani go just enter people farm begin kill.
Before we go
those ones.
Wait first. Before you start to talk all of this one, you wanted me now say if for your hand now you know if you count many things they when BC say the president administration don't do when BC say would they enjoy.
I go one use and give example like Ekpoma rice, Abakaliki rice.
Okay.
It is sweet well. But you don't get the way you go do and make it not see stone. Okay. So that make people know the chop am.
Will they come up? That's
that make us know the chop am. So if we say make we come begin think of one thing where you do, the many people when die, the many bomb when they not go let you even talk am. Make you not go come out here now. Not even soon just say people want shut and you. So if you come out now say make you go talk say I be Buhari, so I want to do Buhari. If not be say my side, people don't go first off for one blow me. If one picking talk and they go beat them. Market women go beat them. Bus drivers go beat them. People when they walk go beat them.
Anyway, make we take it easy now. Because last time maybe when I come back to you, that time your mind will don't come down.
You know, we'll get the one you take come down. You don't be.
That time we go on the AC again. So your mind will take come down. So we know how to talk to you. Man, come with my brother. Ogbede if I receive. You just they laugh for the matter where we say the guy, this my brother, they talk about Osahon Obaraye.
Well, thank you, Oga. See you ask us this kind of sweet question. And as the way my brother answered the question, it just sweet me. you know, because you know, get what I want to talk again.
You go sit down because you go feel say yes, the opposition. Don't go say opposition no say anything when be say they good.
And no, we
political
see.
party.
No, that's not the truth. Because opposition, you know, it dey to check the government wey dey in place.
Okay.
But when be say the things wey to check, not really dey. You know, get what you feel really do.
Okay.
Because as we dey so, APC now be the opposition for this government. He's an APC card carrier member. You see what they talk. And that's the same way it is in every state, even at the Federal Capital Territory. It is shame for average card carrier members of the APC to talk anything good about this government. What do they want to talk? Is it in education? Is it in security? Is it in employment?
No, in the area of
is it in corruption?
In the area of security, you go feel you.
No, you're not, my brother,
because you look at now.
No, wait,
make I remind you. In the area of security, you will see the Dapchi gets when BC the kidnap.
Yeah.
For time when BC notice they come out, they go release them. That's not plus.
No, you don't
and
really
everything.
Just now. You said that the Dapchi gets with them kidnap.
Yes,
now then still release them.
No. I'm not when I say them kidnap. You know, Boko Haram. Because what you see for paper and the rest of them, Boko Haram. Now they say kidnapper.
Boko Haram still release them.
Now so we hear.
And so now Boko Haram will go tank. Because now they take them and they still carry them and go back.
No, but now after you say government don't already see how they'll take do and they bring back, they bring the come back.
Not get everything government do. Let me make you see the video that day when they return the children, the people they clap for Boko Haram, thank you. Because they carry these children from their school, mainly for 9 they carry them. The children not get food to eat and all. When they carry them come back, see Ghana must go where they give them, see new school uniform, where they sew for them. So the people come, they thank Boko Haram, not be the government they go to thank, because the shame, not let the government talk anything. They talk, say, the planner, see me soldier, beware, it's all talk. You see, every aspect we want to talk put, and not get within even those who they say for the government we talk. Everybody the shame. But fear not let them tell God, see you they mess up because everybody want to continue to.
I think you know today, make they use the mind the kind of waste the one they say they use.
No, but that's true now.
Other people so would know. Hey, you go use one. See, there's nothing you can't get by asking. According to the people, it all depends on how you ask for it. You understand? So if I tell you now, say, oh boy, see your shoe dirty. You get what I talk and say, go annoy you. You get what I say talk and be like, say you go look and say, now friend, they talk to you. So now that era now I want to make you look. So my brother, make I come to you. No matter what they happen, 3 years down or close to 3 years down, no how now be say person go to say you don't see 1 2 and they say the present administration do. You go agree with me. So for your own now, what you go like to count at least to one thing.
Baba, you see, I
want to make you retool your mind.
I don't take come. Baba, see, if you know something, now if you say you see me, they eat a goat head down. First of all, I know my happiness they confessed before any of that time. They use my happiness joke. So even the government do their own, not do their own. Not be say make I live here now go they sober for us. Now to live here, make sure say I enjoy again today. I get it because you don't know waiting tomorrow.
Go bring
come. So that one, if you see and say you they try one, they talk many words in trying to talk waiting, but you don't do. I come here, be like say me I'll beg it too. You don't see colors. I don't come here several times when say make I can't talk about Buhari. I regret the voice when I tell Hilam. I know what they tell you. If I come out here tell you say I dey happy with Buhari, I reach outside. My mind go dey judge me.
They have some level of respect. Our President Muhammadu Buhari.
If I want you not pidgin English, I know say pidgin English just to get words of respect like that.
You don't get president for pidgin English.
Okay, our presido,
Muhammadu Buhari.
So now God go bless him. To me, sometimes it be when I do youth leader for PDP from APC, when I come out as a try to call me back again, I don't go. Don't be say I don't reach the age limit.
Which of
the reason
you do this thing for PDP, or if you do for APC.
APC. When I see
PDP.
You leave.
Okay.
You leave the ovation. No, God forbid. God forbid.
Okay.
And nothing. If I want to leave, come back to PDP, I will resign politics.
Okay.
All this one when they talk, so don't be say make somebody love APC pass me.
Okay, wait first now. Why you talk say yes? Say if you go to PDP.
What I want to go do for PDP?
Why you talk so?
If I never, you don't know about me. If I not there, you not tell somebody say the go buy AB. Say the reason why we dey suffer today now PDP cause am. We go fit hide away from that one. All this one when they give excuses now they say when APC supposed to begin work they say they talk about PDP of 16 years. Not because they first see somebody went fair bad. Okay. I get it. It's like somebody went snake fair bite. till he go down and he go dey fear anything when they call pass now.
Okay.
So the people wey cause this one wey we dey so na the PDP o.
Okay.
The reason why APC dey do gidigidi na the PDP.
Now the people cause the party cause the people when they side before.
No be people be party.
Okay, we'll come back to that.
Na people be party now. You fit comot party not comot people.
Okay.
Are you getting it now? People be party now. Na party be party be people.
Okay, I get you because we don't change the course of argument. I will still go back, but I want to make you be like say you respond to what you say talk now. You na Kaka member of the PDP, and now my brother talk and I say the one we say we did today now. As at 30th of March 2018, PDP na Kosa.
Well, the guy you take talk and we say is correct.
Okay.
Because the people who did the APC today, where they from come? Not be PDP make Buhari president. More than 80% of those who did Buhari government today, not PDP there. So if you really look at it's all say this one talk, this one talk, that one. Now the same thing with the talk. He's saying if you go back to PDP, he's just joking.
Okay.
The disaster where APC don't become today, now they make everybody the shame. He even had them to even talk saying that APC member initially because of the way everybody is bitter about the whole thing. The only hope when Nigeria get today by PDP.
No, we're not going to campaign for any
No. What are they talking? I say right now we're hopeless. The nation is hopeless. The government is hopeless. The people are hopeless.
You talk.
No, not true. Not true because everybody is bitter. You don't get how one say using the state talk and maybe say it is sweet because everybody is copying on the same thing at the federal, state, and local government level. So how one country talk and say we're not hopeless? It's true that we are. The only place where hope still day, that's still where we felt day before. Where we say people they feel the chop.
That place where we did before, people were talking that time. Even when this government come that time, talk and say, you see billions of naira in the teeth, billions of naira. Even at a point, John Cameron talk and say the kind of money where BC say they remove for Nigerian economy. If they remove that kind of thing for British economy, say the thing will sink.
Which economy did they hide those money? Not the British economy. Which banks that they hide those money? Would they be see the thief since the time of Abacha? Not be British banks. Not be British banks. Okay. So if the Prime Minister of Britain they talk all this kind of talk now from their house, now they supposed to clean them. First of all, which money they say they recover? Where the money they? Who they take the money from? Where they keep the money? What should they use the money do? The president talking about it a few days ago say they never recover anything. They just put out for paper. People they feel say okay, they work where the money they. Money where they say they catch for Kaduna Airport 49 million. Say person put out for Sagana must go. Who get the money? Money where they catch for Ikoyi duplex. Who get the money? You see all this lie where they talk where they'll go use style keep money somewhere. They'll carry TV go say they don't see money. How come we don't they know who they get the money? If they know who they get the money, how come they see the person for court? Why the person when they go jail? So all these children are just to talk. Maybe people persist say okay, government they work, but the truth I say the government no leadership even did the country. You talking just now about insecurity. Leadership don't did the country. Today now IG go do your own. What you Oga tell me do you know do?
I don't understand that.
No, I mean, the president come they cry which they hear now. He say what you tell IG me do, so not be waiting the IG do. And they say Oga we come they cry. You know if even call there they say see what I say you do not do one, you are sacked. You know fit. Here's the leadership. EFCC go talk one tomorrow. DSS go say a lie, not be sweet they talk. EFCC go talk say they thief money. Ministry of Finance go say a lie, you know see money. So the confusion did the government. Confusion did the government. Where we say they not fit solve.
Okay.
And the only way they fit solve them that to remove these people will not get plan for the country.
Okay.
They be not get plan before we they force they enter. So now because they not get plan, they not get focus, they not get direction, maybe we come out them. That's the plan.
Okay, may I come to you? You see what's in talk here now. You say the level of corruption when we say they did that time. You say the people that were say they for the corruption. The people. Most of them now where they did for the APC and all that. But with the same say some people now the politicians they use the APC as a kind of where they go to take shelter. Because they hear of some cases of people that went say they for the political party before the PDP when they say they bring the according to Natuna and they bring all the wahala come that according to you. Now they don't run come out, go join the APC. And once they enter there now, they go don't forget to say this kind of thing they happen. Go blast they say, okay, you are not sinless. Stay here. Before you go answer the question, I want me to take and away. Before you go answer the question, I want me to take and away. We'll take small break. We'll come back continue for where BC will start. So you go think that matter, so you go know the kind of answer when BC will give to me. Stay with us, not going anywhere.
You want to find your essence in life. You want to succeed in life as an entrepreneur, as an inventor, or as a world changer. This meeting on the 31st is designed for you. We have Professor Pat Tomi coming from Lagos, Ni Adesanya, Bola Adefila. We have Dr. Jibril from Abuja, and we have Sam Obada coming right here from the city of Benin. Myself and Pastor Vivian will be talking with people who want to go into business, who want to become inventors, and who want to become world changers. When you find your essence, your life truly begins. In this meeting, your life will no more remain the same. Mine changed when I found my essence at the CEO Event Center of Ikpokpan, Benin City, 9 a.m. sharp. We have started. I look forward to seeing you there. You will never forget the experience in a hurry.
Hello there, my name is FX the Entertainer, and I'm here to introduce to you the first door-to-door delivery service in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, OrionExpress.com.ng. Guess what? Whether it's hotel bookings, airport pickups, food or drinks delivery, whatever delivery you want around Edo State, Nigeria, we'll get it to you at your doorstep, and it's very affordable. And of course, we are time conscious. Just log on to www.orionexpress.com.ng and you'll be glad you did. I specially recommend it, and I know that you'll be glad when you go through our website. Our details are on your screen, and guess what? We would make sure that you smile at every delivery. www.orionexpress.com.ng. Have a good day.
Before we come out just now, we say make we pause and for where they. I go release the pause now, my brother. Osan Okoro Barai, make you let us know now. Here this is the one beside talk. One person don't dey for one place. See the police people they won't be say for the system when they are accused when you talk just now. By the time they say they run come out, come enter the ruling party. And that is also yes, the person now sinless. It's not a saint. I know. I want me to come from there.
Yeah, the facts are there. All what you talk. If you watch, the facts are there. Say all what you talk not true.
Okay.
Citing your Jews or Carlo as a case study. Somebody when don't do wahala since they don't burn a hole out. The next thing when you show signal say one come. The next thing the SS comes.
When you show signal say what thing?
When one come join us.
Okay.
Yes. Now the next thing the whole thing bow down. You see. Whenever I come, program like this, they come begin ask me, Buhari, I will get very confused. Because you will need to just begin, the people will come like say maybe I vent your anger, and which the truth be say 4 years shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. And what is the truth? The truth is that Buhari has failed. The truth is that for him not to salvage our party.
If you talk say yes, say you don't like Buhari, I go understand. Okay, carry on with it.
Not be only me now, not be only me, you know. Don't be let me. Now I go. If you no need to go church, go talk am. Make we go about palace, go say who like Buhari. One of us go there, go kill. Make we go so my say who truly like him. Make you see whether I'm not be somebody like me now go feel free. Make all of us go. Make we not go Bible. Make we not go imam. Go do wetin you know say Eastern judgment. Make you see whether we fair get one vote or waiting where we dey here. So not be because we want look fake say if this one will say okay, Oba you not get anything, it did better for me. No contentment matter. Waiting really they make me vex. Now the leadership structure of Nigeria itself as a state. Leadership structure in party A, party B to Z. We not get any true leader. When get that man say, Nigeria, I love him. When President Buhari they sick, may God don't heal him. I saw yesterday for Lagos for Tinubu birthday, he was very hale and hearty.
He did jump.
Now Nigeria, money, taxpayers money, we take treat am, it come well. The Nigerians not taxpayers money when they take treat you. They kill the people for Benue. You not go say, this one are my people, make I go meet them all. Yesterday, one senator they talk for house say, paper talk say 15 people die for Zamfara. Say no be 15, say 65. I be 60 something people die. You don't leave party for Lagos, make you go confront this one are people, your people. When will they use collective effort, their money they use for your own self? Make you go first of all, make you go for them.
But you talk and say get the way BCT they approach the matter.
Baba, make you leave all
rush like that.
Baba, you see.
If you rush in that same matter, rush come back. If you, the result when you want, and if you don't get them,
if you rush enter inside matter, you rush come out for what you go concern the benefit of the common man. Better pass say you keep quiet, you look am. For what you concern the common man don't need road o. The common man don't need to buy plane o. The common man don't need anything o. I talk that day say about a month or 2 months ago. I just say because Apple people here say I talk and here say Apple na people dey fund. If you go eat buy Apple na it don't decrease o. Before me know the finish too. Now na TV o. Because people don't know, say, now everybody they chop. Now, so Nigeria come be before you know for a sewer. When we talk, say, Asibo people, they do Akpu, say, the Akpu, they smell. You forget. When they go there because they smell. We go call council, say, this man, they pour Akpu water here. Now, when they even see the Akpu water again, people don't use and do everything. That's to tell you the kind of hunger where this man put us. Then when you get to not say, make we talk now. Now the truth we need to talk. Now why if you talk the truth finish, you go. Now the truth me they talk when they see me they chop go tell that my mind go feel. People that around now this man be this when they talk the truth. So we no need to bend down. I know the truth no need to dey bent. If this one they'll say okay, do it better. I talk just now say the best thing Buhari need to do for us now as a party APC is to take a bar. So that we don't go get stress for the main election. All these ones are what they're supposed to tell them. They play politics and they don't play.
But the man never talk say you never talk say whether I will contest or not now.
The body language don't do now. Before you talk about Lagos, that campaign don't start now. I tell you this year na campaign. Now what this is they go do? I tell you people just now say, we are not even ready. Not because we win again. So Buhari go win again. We are not ready for election now. PDP not ready for election now. They're not ready. So that will make it just the way you see that they back out now. So that they might not even contest the election itself. The way they do for local government, so they go do it. They don't go contest because they're not ready. They're not ready because they don't say even the people that don't invest for both the APC and the PDP. So if you can't give us the words, if we even beat you now, stone now. Look, we can manage this blind man will get now. Like,
see, I'm not going to talk all those. I'm not going to agree. Maybe you talk all those kind of a thing and all that. So I don't hear you because that one be say
better.
So because that one I don't hear when be talking. But one thing when be say I want to ask you, my brother, be say how the things that the waka they go and everything. Because someone even bed don't even whisper to my ear and I say you're supposed to apologize for that thing when be say you talk.
Which one I talk?
The one you say yes, you talk. Say describe our president just now.
No, not me. I describe. No, you don't hear me. Not parable. I say the village of the blind. Now I talk. You don't make me talk. I keep quiet now.
Okay.
I say the village of the blind. The one eye man.
Now be king.
Now be king. So the one eye man will get that better. Not parable. Not okay. Now.
Okay. No, I'll make I come to you, my brother, because they like me when people say if they know what they talk, they'll really talk and well, make it be say people know. So me now waiting and here now talking already straight and when we say here. So I want to ask you, my brother, you say you even talk and I say even the political party, the PDP, they are not even ready for governance. Because I remember CSA where they want to do local government election, they say they're not ready, they're not come contest election. So nobody will come out tomorrow now from the opposition party contest CSA, the local government they do well or no they do well. You know understand? So in this case now, even the opposition party, the PDP now, are they even ready for 2019 election?
Okay, you see, that question is very interesting. If APC person they talk to you like this, member of the party, if you see option, you go come out Buhari now. So whether na PDP, whether na UPZ, or any party will come, they are ready to come out Buhari come out for them. If the wife of the president talk and say, if you cannot give change to the people, leave there. Which you see me will talk again. Your own wife, where they stay with you for house, they come out publicly, they condemn your government. You get what you want to do again. It's finished. That's the end of the road. My brother, check every sector of the economy. Is it for education? Last week, WAEC released the WAEC result. 18% of people who write an pass. 18%. We never said that kind of thing before Nigeria before. You know, with that on the fault of government, I'm not sure not ready to read. What has been the development? The children don't read. Okay, hold on. Now today, students have to stop to read. Now today, they stop to read. What has been the development? What has been the investment in education in the last 3 years? Which school they don't build? How much has they employed in the last 3 years? Nobody can answer because they don't even know who be the Minister for Education. We even know who the person be said. So if you check every second, you not get everything that wants to campaign. So talk about whether PDP they do or not, it's not easy material because if PDP 1 week to election bring that person, you go see how people go they camp from APC go join that person may win election. But you know, say for the issue we talk about for local government election, we just they look there and they laugh. What's happened in an election? What's happened in an election? But we're not fit. No, but still be the process. You see, we get sense of PDP. We get sense. We get sense. We go school. You know, if you say a process is already manipulated, you want to go see waste money puts. You know, I don't know. You know where I did. No, you don't need to talk about it. Hold on. They ask me questions. You don't make I finish. You don't for election time. So you need to go to talk here now. Maybe let me know where it is. Now me know where it is. Whether you did Japan or you did Ewotubu, you know it's in the going everywhere. Okay. Wait till we see that day, we say APC members, then they put us umpire for election. No, the person will get sense. Okay, because you ask me a question now. Okay. person wey get sense, you dey see say the person wey supposed to be referee for your match, now your opponent brother. What you want to contest put? Because even before the contest starts, that person already win. Now it's brother.
How you want to prove that kind of one? You
No, you see, I don't want to mention people's name. But these are the facts we know. Before my party can say, no, don't waste our time for this election. No, we go cutting set. You get what it costs. Okay. The truth can't even show. Say even after they do the election, the results where they announce, everybody can't laugh. Even the APC people say they can't laugh their own result because they don't say this is not what you see for streets. Because that day, who come my combo? Who want waste time on that song?
You know, they keep account to the talk with you.
May you go for 3 for so may go as them.
You know, participate for election.
Wait. What's one I want to know? The day or no day now, maybe they were not supposed to ask that question. But this fact, this one will be say they talk so. At the time we say they do election, you dey around the door.
Okay.
You don't lie.
Okay, hold on.
Not you today start.
You ask me question. Maybe I like me answer the question now. Let me drink water. Make come.
Okay. Maybe you don't do what I want to keep the cup. Make it not go break. Let me see.
You want collect the cup from me.
Make it not go break. You don't drink water finish. Okay, but I come to you, my brother. Okoro Obara. You see, this our country now. The way we see don't academy, we don't talk problem. How we go take commot for this problem now? More look that area.
Very good question. The way we will take commot go hard where you get to take
no matter how hard.
Now what talk so? Now hard way, but not the only way. The hard way, the only way. Very good thing. I watch on that kind of thing. Something. The hard way, the only way. When the man says, "I let this way go past," things pass, but he put head at the end. The survival. How will take pass? Now we orientation.
Okay.
The way they do them now say most times now the things when they talk they help you know say most times they come in and they tell me say me na anti-APC because why they talk here but why some of them don't still talk now some of them still talk now some of the leaders will talk say no they listen to our way this thing they talk so na true so you can say they listen we get to do more reorientation on the people when they vote hunger go dey but if only we go fit bear that hunger. Say on election day, the 10,000 when they want share reject them.
I think they want share for 5,000 because what would they know?
Baba, I don't dare listen.
1,000.
Baba, you know me. Baba,
they want increase them now.
Baba, you know me. Baba, you know me.
So you now.
No, but the egg might tell me confection. Don't try to form the set.
No false way to it.
Yes, no.
I only tell them. Yes.
Me go guide him. I mean, need to guide them.
Okay.
Ogbedi need to be guided because if you come here because they want talk say na so you na sent Ogbedi. You are the edge of say even Ayala please go better pass you in talking to you. So make we talk about how we go take make we don't forget to change. The money when we dey share on election day. Make our people begin deviate from am. Because they don't see us say after those people share money to come back meet you na dey hard. And if you go meet the doctor you say they no give you money you go answer yes wetin you come do for here. You don't need to come answer am. You can also notice and say the people go need to reimburse themselves again. How you go expect somebody when they go out of assembly? Go if you no go use money na money no exaggerate am. He say he wan go house of help. I dey see he post am for Facebook. I sure say maybe na Facebook going for the go. Say he wan really go for ground as today so. He need to get at least 200 million. He not get as he wanted to one.
So if I get 200 million now, I don't buy am.
Papa just listen now. Listen, now I guide you small. Now I guide you. That 200 million, so don't be saying a shop for you. Now you want to start work.
That the kind thing.
Papa just listen now. So the thing when until we take money out of politics, which will dey very hard, we don't feel they get it right because you try governorship now. You try governorship.
Not me that they discuss now.
No, make you try and you see wetin the thing take you.
People don't try governorship.
People there, you see the pain and the thing wey they take. Say you go meet leader for house this kind of money. You still dey outside since so with your goat or for Easter now you wan go give am. He never still answer you. He don see you from life, he leave you. When you wan go kneel down and say you wan contest election for next 2 years, when you wan give am 500,000, he never still answer you. All of them wey wan bring go menu. That one not be the one you want to do poster. That one want to do different visitation. Not the people want eat this money. Maybe you go collect that money from Lapo or somewhere with your house. Their God knows what you can't win. The first 1-2 years, got to get the money back now.
So by application.
By the time you don't get the money back, you go come begin say you want begin think of the next one, you come begin gather. Okay. Now be the problem what they get. So the orientation be say make we begin think money out of politics. Say how can Osaokobaye win without even a party? How you go fit win for UPP? Make we gather, make we go back to the way we take the one.
UPP na party now.
But make we go back to the one way back. If you remember, I did with Melodopolo yesterday for somewhere we dey talk. I can't remember say 1996 when we wan do councillorship for UPN. Yeah, UPN na be NCP, UNCP. When we wan do councillorship, when he come do zonal rally for my papa outside for 1996. I remember my papa send me go where they keep money say go bring money come for this man make we take support am 5,000 naira as at that time the guy remind me say that money go a long way to help am as at that time people gather money give am when he win finish he come bring grade and begin grade within area we go come dey follow am go dey do am na so they dey do am that time this time for you to go councillor nobody go give you money again
o. Okay, what you try to talk now say the way out of this wahala make we no collect money.
No collect if I no collect money from you as people I no collect money from you if I no make you dey talk like this
now. But people no collect money for the last local government election. My brother talk about
they not come out.
Say people.
So they carry money go, but people not come out to vote. But they not give the money.
But you talk about because somebody talk here the other day. Even you trying to talk about youth last week here. We talk and say yes, say our youth and for election. The better say yes, say Pena where we say PDP no contest the election. Why Pena? He said because I say PDP contest the election. APC for bring money come and be there for share give them. APC. No, nothing the boy talk.
No, Mola, I don't go very happy with it.
Okay. Wait first. You know what the young man talk? Okay, maybe I mean no phrase and where. He say like say the PDP contest people for bring money come out. Well, be there for share. So that means yes, say the money. This is they quote the person. If we play the tape back,
now good. The quote where you give not be only here, it's everywhere.
Money politics now, and the rest. Then I be say my brother don't break come out. He say make we if the only one we say we take get and right now, make we no collect money from people hand because whether we like them or not, the collection of money. Everyone they spend money. It cut across the political parties. They won't be.
You know, not people need go get across for this.
No, it cut across. When na PDP, na APC, na
CPP,
all of them.
It cut across. For wetin my brother told us. He don't from where he from the come. No, hold on. From where he from the come. Now they give us that experience. Say 5,000 times they one share.
Let me guide you. Wait.
Hold on.
Wait. I do agent. I know phone. Make I guide them. They like to me.
The history of where from the come. Now the history of where from the come. Now they exposed to us. And I agree with him. We need to do away with money politics. And just that's why it take us last so to say PDP come out. Thank God say we not come out because
PDP come money for everywhere.
Okay, see. To say make people not collect money, we go high. Unemployment is 34% today. Youth unemployment. Of all the countries where they're hungry for the whole world, Nigeria is number 3. 10% of the hungriest people in the world are in Nigeria. 10%. So how you want to expect say people will come like all these my leaders they will come on the election day, they give them they see me they don't see. It's not gonna happen. Waiting we need will go move us forward now leadership we will not get. If we get the president will go talk say do you know what we will amend this constitution maybe say people fit contest without political party maybe say people fit go contest without primaries maybe say people will go school we know wetin they want do we get plan not like what we did wey dey so people will get plan we get focus say make dem run you see people Nigerians go come and say we wan vote you no go even think of to dey give money how much you wan give me to take vote for you so when people wey go school people wey get sense come out come vote you no get time to dey give money so we need to change the narrative as they do am before make we change am now to say what we need now na good leadership.
How many people even get the registration?
No, they get to.
How would the emergence of good leadership?
Let me tell you why. Hold on, sir.
We dey round up.
How would the good leadership come when they talk so?
People get to but people know they like to come out and vote because the person they vote so the 15 million people will vote this man so not be cry they cry. What's happening for Lagos today? People from Ajah straight papa because say one man come commission wetin they call commission for motor park na local government work. Wey president fly with private jets from Abuja, one commission motor park, people use like the waka. How people go take vote against such a person? Now it's something they think. Not be a matter of money. Nigerians are hungry, but people ready to fight under the sun to elect the good person. May they see good person come out. But might tell you the truth. Whether boy like or not, this 2019, me not even near there.
All right, we talk since with our two brothers here, because here we go end this matter. Because if we finish and still the carry on, I'll be like, we know we'll get where BC will go. I sure this matter will continue from another time. I will look some other angles the way BC will look to this matter. So I want to thank you so much, my brother and friend, Ogbede Ifadu Isibo. Thank you so much. Thank you. And my brother, no, no, shake me with 2 hands again. You know, shake me with 2 hands. Make me the fist here.
Ogbede don't they lie. Did he just pay me? I don't sweat here. Ogbede don't me the respect. He don't they lie.
No,
just pay me.
Okay, no, we don't.
Ogbede don't they lie.
We
go not better or what down.
We go take the matter and go for
it.
And I thank you to Osao Okoro Barry. I thank you so much. Shake me with 1 hand.
I don't go fit.
No,
because you don't go let me do it.
Okay, this segment go end. We go take small break. When we come back, continue for what we say we talk. Other matters they will be say we take. No go anywhere.